Hello everyone, this is RJ Steinert from Open Learning Exchange. I'm going to walk you through beta 1 of the BeLL LMS, or the BeLL Apps 3.0. It's a number of apps that we have for the third iteration of the system that we've been working on. I'm going to make this quick because it's going to change. I think we'll probably have beta 2 out, maybe by the end of the week or the week after, so we're going to run through this real quick. So it's a CouchDB app that sits at this URL right here. So this is the Couch URL. This is the URL for the application itself. We have a user management system I've set up myself. And here's the URL for, or here's the menu for the BeLL LMS. You can manage teams, list teams, add a new team, list members, add a new member, list resources, add a new resource, link to the personal BeLL, which is another app, which I'll show you right after this, and install on this device, which means of the number of apps that exist in the BeLL apps, there are a number of them that work when you're not connected to the CouchDB, that work in your browser even when you don't have a connection to the server, and of course log out. So what we do is, let's say I'm a teacher, I check out my teams. Let's say I'm English level 1. I click on assignments, and I just get a list of all the resources that are in this database. And I can assign or unassign each of these things. I can add feedback. And I can also preview it. Some test content. It's probably going to be nothing special. And that's what you get on the team screen. So teachers make assignments to their teams. And then as a student, if I go over to the personal BeLL app, actually let's go back. If I say install on this device, it's actually initializing a manifest file that caches all of the necessary files, essentially the personal BeLL app files, and also a PDF.js viewer for that works with a database called PouchDB. PouchDB saves the PDFs in your browser, and so it's able to open the PDFs that are saved in your browser, which are your assignments, as you'll see. So let's let's say I go to this for the first time, and on this device I don't have anything. I don't have any of the groups or assignments here, so I'm just going to click Update Device. And this is saving all of this information into the browser. So when I log in, it's actually even bringing the users over. I can log in as myself, and I can see my teams. I can see my assignments. And so now that I've synced with the server into my browser, I'm going to disconnect from the server. I'm actually going to shut down CouchDB. So just so you guys can see, killing it. Done. So now you see, actually, if I go back to explore the BeLL, it's dead. If I reload this page, personal BeLL still loads. I'm going to log in. I'm logging into an app in my browser. Ta-da. And let's check out my English level 1 assignments. Manage insects on my farm. And look, a PDF that's being loaded from my browser. Rad. Close it. It brings you to a feedback form automatically. Save. And that's good. So that's essentially what the user can do. Let's say we come back to the classroom. We just added feedback. And let's start up CouchDB again. So we're back in the classroom. And we click update device. This is actually going to send that comment we just made back to the server. So if I go back to explore the BeLL, I'm already logged in. See all the list of resources. Let's look at the feedback for this insect thing. And yeah, I think this was my comment. Apparently I say yay a lot. Cool, so that's the gist of it right now. I think next steps are adding support for video content and HTML content. And I'll do another video. That'll be beta 2. I'll do another video about that, probably in a week or so. Cool, thanks for watching.